I found a way to get Kimi K2.7 Code for free. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your browser and type this URL address. You must sign in or sign up to your account. If you first sign up and you're done without doing email verification, you must check your email inbox and paste it to your previous browser. After you paste, answer the question one by one, or just spam skip. Then go to AI, then Workers AI, then click REST API. Now click Create Workers AI API Key Token. Then follow me, and after finished, click Create API Token button. Now there you have API key. Now copy your API key and paste to somewhere safe. Also, you must copy account ID. This is important. For base URL, copy this, or just from my description. So this is full base URL. Now you must put your account ID in that field. Copy the base URL to your coding app. For me, it's Claude from VS Code. Make sure provider is OpenAI compatible, except your coding app already have Cloudflare Workers AI provider. Now paste your API key at second input after base URL. For model ID, go to the models, and you can see the Kimi K2.7 Code model. Click Copy ID, go back to your coding app and paste your model. Click Done, and you now can chat. But I won't do the test because I'm busy. And you know me, everything the method I show you was legit, so you can count on me.